So this really should have been part of the disassembly video I did, but I pulled all of the seals and bearings out of the case halves and then the clutch cover. And there's a couple ways to do this. One is putting these into an oven and heating them up and letting the bearings fall out. I did not want to go ahead and put these in the oven, so these are the methods I used to pull out the bearings and the seals. And just like that, we got them all out. Some a little easier than others, but thanks for hanging out with me in the garage, and I'll see you on the next one.